Rattrap Productions, where we teach you how to do stuff. Turkey has been brining all night. We took it out of the brine this morning and rinsed it very, very well. Cold water. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Inject melted butter into the turkey. And then any leftover butter, you can just pour right over the top of the bird. You're going to take some fresh thyme, a handful of sprigs, and stick them in the cavity of the bird. Thoroughly salt. I use 2 different kinds of salts, one regular and one a little seasoned, and ground black pepper. When your oven is preheated, you're going to put the bird in the oven at 500 degrees for 20 minutes. You're going to turn it down after 20 minutes to 350 degrees until the bird is done. You pull your bird, temperature should read 165, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. It's got a nice brown. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then carve her up.
But if you want to learn how to dance, just watch your mama and me.